Groundwater depletion poses a significant global challenge, as excessive extraction for irrigation and domestic use exceeds natural recharge rates, leading to declining water levels and increasing water scarcity in many regions. Countries like Bangladesh, India, Pakistan are suffering a lot due to groundwater depletion. One of the prime reasons of groundwater deposition is concretization. It refers to the process of covering natural surfaces with concrete or other impervious materials, such as asphalt or buildings. This practice significantly contributes to groundwater problems due to its impact on the hydrological cycle. To mitigate this issue and raise groundwater levels, percolation pits can indeed be a great solution. So, what is a percolation pit? A percolation pit, also known as an infiltration pit or soakaway pit, is a simple and effective rainwater harvesting and groundwater recharge system. It is a shallow, excavated pit or trench filled with coarse gravel or pebbles, designed to allow rainwater to infiltrate into the ground and recharge the groundwater aquifers. So, how you can make a percolation pit? Select a suitable location away from buildings, septic tanks, and wells. Also check the soil of the location. If water cannot pass through the soil, you cannot make a pit there. Excavate a shallow pit or trench, about 3 to 5 deep, in the ground. Fill the pit with coarse gravel or pebbles, ensuring good permeability. First put big rocks and then put smaller rocks. Direct rainwater runoff from rooftops or other surfaces into the pit using gutters or pipes. But be careful. If water is stuck in that location for a long time, it can be a great place for mosquito like dengue. Allow rainwater to percolate through the gravel and into the soil, promoting groundwater recharge. Percolation pits play a vital role in groundwater recharge by facilitating the infiltration of rainwater into the soil. When rainwater falls onto impervious surfaces, it often leads to surface runoff, which can result in flooding and water wastage. Percolation pits intercept this runoff and allow water to slowly seep into the ground, replenishing underground aquifers. By increasing the natural recharge of groundwater, percolation pits help maintain a sustainable water supply, prevent the depletion of water resources, and support ecosystems that depend on groundwater. They are a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution to combat water scarcity and ensure a balanced water cycle in urban and rural areas.